Risha? Hello, Risha? Hello? Prisha again. Danush,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me, right? Likita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sainika? Prisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, see once what doubts you have like Kirchhoff laws while using time you are facing problems, right? Some problems we will do today on Kirchhoff laws. Then if you know the Kirchhoff laws, Wheatstone Bridge, after Wheatstone Bridge, you will get to know about Meter Bridge also. Okay. So that three are very important concepts. So some problems on Kirchhoff laws. These questions they given in the previous years.
Excuse me, sir.
Sanchit.
Yes, sir. So, in yesterday's test, I had a doubt in one question, sir. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, Sanchit. Today Kushi is not there. Okay, let's see, ma. Everyone, do you know about the Kirchhoff second law? Hello, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Can you say Kirchhoff second law?
So that overall potential drop is the same.
No, says properly that they won't give marks also.
So like the total voltage is equal to the sum of voltage drop.
Mm, mm. Prisha, can you try? Prisha,
Yes, sir.
can you say what is Kirchhoff second law?
Sir, the total amount of current entering the loop will be the same amount of will be same exiting the loop.
That is first law. I am asking second law. Second law. Tejaswini,
So,
Kirchhoff second law.
so the total sum of potential drop in a circuit is zero.
Potential drops in a circuit equal to 0.
Zero.
Okay. Sum of the potential drops in a closed circuit equal to 0, or sum of the potential drops in a closed loop is balanced by the potential applied in that loop. Okay. Even we can say like that.
Sir,
Dhanush.
sir, all the voltages in closed loop should be equal to zero, no, sir.
All the voltages,
No, sir, I'm asking.
algebraic sum of the cells and the product of current and resistance is always 0. That means whatever we applied the potential And what is the potential drop is there in the circuit? So that is total is 0. Yeah, we can do, ma. We can say like
Sir,
that.
in closed loop,
Yes.
circuit must be 0, no, sir?
Potential is 0, right?
Okay, sir.
Potential and potential drop, if it is there, that some both are 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now some problems we will solve on the Kirchhoff laws. So write the problem. Problems. So first one. Using Kirchhoff's rule to determine determine the value of current. Hello, Kavya.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, the screen is blurred, sir, for me.
For remaining,
Yes, sir, it is bit blur.
bit blur, huh? Now,
No, sir.
Sir, it is still black.
It's the same, sir.
okay.
Sir, can you detect that first line, sir? Sir,
hello.
sir, can you detect that first line, sir?
I didn't get.
Sir, can you say that first line, sir?
Again.
Sir, can you read that first line, sir?
Now, is it clear now?
No, sir.
No, sir. Once restarts. Okay, Chirag. Now, hello, Danusha.
Sir, yes, sir.
Tell me, ma, now what you are saying?
Sir, can you read that first line, sir? I couldn't see properly.
Okay,
Sir, now
okay.
it is clear.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone, now is it okay? 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, for of the current following flowing in the circuit. Flowing in the circuit. Risha. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
now onwards you should not get doubt on Kirchhoff laws. Okay, listen carefully while solving.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the
Yes, sir.
circuit diagram I will give, you should solve next time onwards. Okay, listen
Yes, sir.
carefully. Danish,
Sir,
can you see now?
yes, sir.
Okay. See once, mainly what you have to remember when you are solving the problems in Kirchhoff laws. Okay. So Kirchhoff laws, second law, it is useful to only closed circuits. If it is not closed, second rule, second law, we can't use. Okay. So that is the first point. We can't use. Only it is applicable for closed loops. That's what you should remember. After, yes, some things you have to remember. When you are going along the direction of the current, suppose current is passing like this. So when you are going, it is the resistance. When you are going along the direction of the current through the resistor, you have to give minus IR. When you are going along the direction of current through the resistor, there will be a potential drop. So that is why minus IR. So when you are going along this, if you are coming in this direction, opposite direction, you have to give IR. That you should remember. That is the first one. Second one, if it is the cell, when you are coming from positive terminal to negative terminal, you have to give negative E. If you are going from negative to positive, you have to give positive E. If it is E. The 2 points that you should remember. Understand? Or any doubt? Prisha?
Sir, could you repeat that? I did not get it.
Yes. So it is applicable for only closed loops. When I am solving, I will take one closed loop, like I will take A, B, C, D, E, F. So I will take closed loop A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D. It is not closed loop. A, B, C, D is not closed loop. A, B, C, D, A is closed loop. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So when I given A, B, C, D, A, I will start from here and I will come like this. So I will go like this and I will reach again the same point. Okay. So that time, suppose when you are going like this, if current also passing in the same direction, so potential drop is minus IR you should give. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you are coming opposite direction to the current through the resistor, you have to give positive. Okay. When you are doing problem, you will get idea, but you should remember when you are going along the direction of the current through the resistor, give give negative IR. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So when you are coming opposite to the current through the resistor, okay, give positive.
Positive value.
Yes. And you are coming from positive to negative, then
Negative value.
when you are going from negative to positive,
Positive value.
that you should remember. Okay, that's you can. So
Yes, sir.
how they have given circuit, let's see. Listen carefully. One circuit, listen, everything is easy. So this is the circuit they given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First we should give names. First step that we have to give names. A, B, C, D, E, F. Any names you can give. Okay. That I given like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
After what you have to do, you have to give current to direction. Which direction?
Loop in direction in the loop.
Yeah, current direction I should give. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here two batteries are there, two cells are there, or two EMFs are there. Which direction I have to take? It is more right.
Yes, sir.
I will take
ATV
this
is
right.
more.
So in this direction I will go. In this direction I will go. So in this direction and in this direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So we have to give first current, second current direction. Okay. Suppose
Yes.
I current is coming here. Once if we reach here, I1 is going in this direction, I2 is going in this direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is the junction, right?
Yes, sir.
So I current is passing. So I is nothing but I1 plus I2.
I do. Yes, I do.
So in this direction, current will be in this. And once it come here, once it's come here. So here again,
Join.
yes, it is I2, then it is I1, then you will get I only again. I current is coming out. Again, I current will reach out. Understand clearly now?
Yes, sir.
No other doubts, right?
No, sir.
Okay, I given current direction also. Current direction also I have given. Now, here two loops are there. So you will get two equations. How many loops are there? That many equations you will get. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many loops are there? That many equations you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first loop. So let A, B, C, D, A is the loop. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So I started at A and I will end at A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I started at A. I am going like this. I am going opposite to the current or
Opposite.
through the resistor, right?
Yes, sir.
Now potential is positive or negative?
Positive.
So can I give I to R? I to 30.
Yes, sir.
Current is I2. 30 is resistance. That's all. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, I cross it like this, and again I'm coming here. First, I will talk about the resistors. Okay, okay. Again, you are coming in this direction. So negative to positive or what?
Negative to positive.
What you have to give?
Positive value.
Positive value you have to give. So you will give here positive 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, you are coming like this. Again here, see.
Negative value.
So negative, correct? How much?
Minus IR value.
Minus IR only, but I is here I1 and R is 20.
Okay, sir.
In this loop, in this branch, current is I1 and resistor is 20. So 20, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I'm coming here again, nothing is there. So I reached here. So nothing is there. Total equal to 0. That is only Kirchhoff's second law, right?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the potentials and the potential drops in the closed loop is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is equation 1. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, second loop I will take. So in clockwise direction I took, right?
Yes, sir.
So now let D, C, F, E, D. D, C, F, E, D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will start here again. When I'm going like this, what will happen here?
Positive value of IR.
So how much? IR means how much here?
Sir, R is 20 and I is I1.
So I1 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going like this here.
Sir, negative value.
Of how much?
Minus 20.
That's all, no? Voltage is voltage only, no?
Yes, sir.
Again, I am coming from here. How much?
Positive value, sir.
Positive value of how much?
I into 20.
That's all. Coming again.
Negative value 80.
Coming. Again, I reach. Nothing is there. So 0. Second. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now this you have to arrange properly. So first equation, if you arrange properly, so 30 I2 plus, minus I1 20, so 20 I1 plus 20 equal to 0. Can I?
Yes, sir.
30 I2 minus 20 I1 minus 20 equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This equation also we should arrange. How to arrange? Let's see. 20 I1. Okay.
20 I1
Plus
mm,
20
plus
I.
20 I minus 100
Yes. Minus 100 V equal to 0.
0.
Clear? It is
Yes,
no
sir.
sign. So you can take it is third equation and it is fourth equation. So here I know that I is equal to I1 plus I2, right?
Yes, sir.
I is equal to I1 plus I2 only, no? We took.
Yes, sir.
Substitute that. So 20 I1 plus 20 into I1 plus I2 minus 100 V equal to 0. So 20 I1 plus 20 I1 plus 20 I2 minus 100 equal to V equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 20 I1 plus 20
40
I1.
I1
Yes, this equation you will get 40 I1 plus
plus
20 I2 minus 100 equal to V equal to 0.
0.
So here equation 3 and here equation 4. Here equation 5 you have to take. Don't take it is 4. The equation 4 you have to take this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These two equations if you solve, then you will get I1.
Yes, sir.
See, two equations I will write here. What is the first equation? Minus 20 I1 plus 30 I2
Plus 20 V is equals to 0.
yeah 20 V equal to 0 or 20 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. We know it 20 also can. Next 40.
40 I
Yes.
40 I1 plus 20 I2
I2
minus 100 V
0.
equals to 0.
Now you have to solve this. Okay. Now what I will do? First equation. I will take it is third one and it is fourth one, right?
Yes, sir.
Equation 3 with the 2 I will multiple.
Yes, sir.
Multiple. What will you get?
Sir, minus 40 I1
Minus 40 I1 plus 60
60
I2 plus
40
20.
V
Sorry. Yes.
40
40 V equal to 0.
0.
Now 40 I. This equation. It is the third one. Fourth one. See.
Plus 20
I1
I2
20 I2
minus 100
minus 100 V equal to 0. Cancel out.
40 cancel.
80 I2
I2
minus
minus 60 V equals to 0.
60 V equal to 0. So 80 I2 equal to 60 V, right?
Yes, sir.
So I2 equal to 60 by 80, right?
Yes, sir.
So I2 0 0 cancel. 3 2s
3
are
by
4.
4.
So I value how much you got?
3
I2
by
value 3 by 4
0.
amperes. Sorry. 3 by 4 amperes,
Yes.
right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now this I2 value, can you substitute in equation? Any one equation you will get I1.
Yes, sir.
So this equation I will substitute in equation 4. So 40 I1 plus 20 3 by 4 minus 100 V equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 40 I1 plus 5.
15. 15
So 15
I
15
minus 100
minus 100,
equals to 0.
right?
Yes, sir.
So now 40 I1 minus
85.
85 equal to 0. So 40 I1 equal to 85. So I1 equal to 85 by 40. So
Yes.
2 point you can, right? 2 point
Yes.
something you. So that's what I1 you calculated and I2 you calculated. So total current how much means? I1 plus
I2.
that's all. Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one question I will give. Try to solve that. Then we will see answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One question you practice. If you get correct answer, then okay. Clear. Dhanush,
Yes, sir.
understand ma?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Two ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. Okay. Calculate current. Calculate the total current in the loop. Calculate the current passing in the loop. Solving. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm. Everyone, did you get the same equation, first one? Prisha,
Yes, sir.
did you get the same equation, first one?
So my first equation was the DCFT loop.
Oh, you too. Okay. Yeah, fine. Any loop you can take.
Sir, it should be minus 4b, no, sir.
Sorry. Yes. Here I place I1 plus I2 substitute.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, that after 2 I1 plus I2 plus 1b, sir.
1v. But here I1 will become 0. I1 will become 0 because minus 2 I1 plus 2 I1. So how much I2 value?
Sir,
I2 value how much?
sir,
Hello?
sir, you've written the equation wrong actually.
Which one?
So that is minus 2I1 minus 2I1 plus I2.
Okay, here minus, right? Yeah. That's why. Yes, correct, ma. Here minus 2. Yeah, minus, no? Yes, ma. Correct. Minus 4I1 minus 2I2 plus 1b equal to 0. This is the equation. 3 you have to take. Even equation here also, I substitute. 2I1 plus I2 plus 2I2 minus 4v equal to 0. 2I1 plus 2I2 plus 2I2 minus 4v equal to 0. 2I1 plus 4I2 minus 4v equal to 0. Now solve ma. This is equation 4. Prisha, did you get the same things, huh?
Yes, sir.
Calculate I1 how much and I2 how much, tell me. Then we will ask even remaining persons also how they got. Today Kushi didn't come. Answers?
Sir,
Hmm.
I got 3.5 I2.
Everyone? Prisha, how much you got?
Sir, still calculating.
Calculate fast. How much ma? Sainika or hello?
Yes, sir, I got the same thing.
Okay. So I2 equal to 7 by 6, huh?
Yes, sir. 7/6.
Amperes. That's all. No problem. I1? I1 means if I2, if you substitute anywhere, you will get I1. Clear that? Hello?
Sir, I'm getting I2 5 by 6. Sir.
Ma, I2 5 by 6, ah? Why 5 by, let's see. See the steps, huh? Into 2, 2, 8, 8, 0, 6, 7, 0. Correct only. See once more where you are doing wrong, because me, Shainika, Prisha completed.
Yes, sir.
How much you got? I2.
Sir, I2 is 7 by 6.
I1.
31 by 12.
31 by?
Well,
Shainika, how much I2? I1?
Sir, 1 second, I'm doing.
Yeah.
I think I did a mistake. I'll do it again.
No. Why? Leave like that. Maybe it can come. We can't say that. Keep like that. 4 I1 plus 4 I2 means 7 by 6.
I got 1 by 3. Minus 1 by.
Prisha,
Sir, I think I put it in the wrong equation.
any one equation, either equation 3 or equation 4, you can substitute. Any one equation you can place. No problem for that actually. Minus 4 I1.
So,
Hello? Sainika?
sir,
Tell me, ma.
it's minus 4 I1 and minus 2 I2.
Minus 2 I2. Okay.
No, you wrote 4 instead of 2.
Sir, it will
Okay,
come
okay. Yeah,
14
yeah.
by
So 14 by
14.
6 plus 1. 4 I1. So 20 by 6. Twenty by 6 means 10 by 3 minus I1 equal to 10 by 3 by 4. How much you got? Sainika?
Sir, I got 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Sir, I did it again. My answer is coming 10 upon 12.
Sir, I'm
Yes,
getting
10
minus
upon
5
12
by
is
6.
correct. 10 upon 12.
Sir, I'm getting 5 by 6. Yes, sir, same only.
Yeah, 5 by 6.
Minus 5 by 6.
Yeah, minus 5 by 6. Current is no negative value. Give positive only. Take 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is answer. Sainika, take once. So these circuit diagrams, when we are solving these problems, you should go very slowly and you should be very careful. Otherwise, we won't get. See, now only when we are doing very slowly, even though we are making small mistakes, when you are doing in the examination, obviously you will be in some tension. So you won't get correct answer if you don't do properly. Check once that, okay? So you have to practice more on this, then only you will get to know. So one more problem I am writing. Can I? Sainika?
Sir, for how many marks are this question?
5 more questions. Sir.
Okay, sir.
They will ask write Kirchhoff laws. First law and second law you have to explain. After one question on that. Okay. So basing on the Kirchhoff law, what is the Wheatstone bridge? How to calculate? Do you know that, right? Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Wheatstone bridge. Everyone, do you know what Wheatstone bridge for how to solve that? Wheatstone bridge solution. Risha, can I explain or do you know Wheatstone bridge?
Sir, can you please explain it again? It is problematic a bit.
Now problem did you understand clearly?
No, not really, sir. I
Like,
still have troubles in solving the equations.
yes. So one more problem. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
One more problem we will do on that.
Okay, sir.
Problem number 3. At least be careful with this. Okay, now look at this. Carefully try to solve. This is only the circuit. Calculate current. Very small circuit now. Here R equal to 4 ohms. Here 2 ohms, 6 volts, 12 volts. Now what will you do? What is the first step that you have to do?
Sir, labeling the loops.
So A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever you want, you can give after. Now current direction we have to give, right?
12V.
So we will take it is more. So 12V at I. Once it reach that I, if you take I1 is through this, and it will become I2, right?
Yes, sir.
Here total is I1, it is total is I1, and total is I2. Again, once it reached here,
I equals to I1 plus I2.
that's what. Keep like that. Okay, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
First, next what we have to do? Let loop,
Select a loop.
let loop A, B, C, D, A.
A.
So again, from A you have to start, again end at A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So again, now tell me how much?
A, B, C, D, A. So positive value.
You are going from positive to negative, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, negative value, negative IV. Opposite to the current resistance.
No, I'm giving this. When you are going through cell, when you are going from positive to negative cell, we have to give negative, no?
Yes, sir.
Again after that,
Sir, positive 2I.
that's what. Yes. After.
Sir, positive 4I1 equals to 0.
That's what. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, one more loop. Let loop DC FED. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Start here. Now tell me.
Sir, negative 4I1.
Yes.
Positive 6I1.
No I1.
No, yes, sir. Only I2. No, not I2. Volt.
I1. It is okay. Okay. I1.
Yes, sir.
No other resistor. No need to give anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from this, minus 4 I1 equal to minus 6. So I1 equal to 6
3
by
by 2.
4. So I1 equal to 3 by 2 amperes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I1 substitute in the first equation. Here see, first equation what will happen? I is there, I1 is there. So minus 12, sorry. Minus 12 plus 2 I1 plus I2, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 4 I1 equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 12 plus 2 I1 plus 2 I2 plus 4 I1 equal to 0, right?
Sir.
So I1. So minus 12 plus 4 I1, sorry, 6 I1 plus 2 I2 equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So we know the I1 value, no?
3 by 2.
So minus 12 plus 6, 3 by 2 plus 2, sorry, send that. Minus 2 I2, okay?
Yes, sir.
Solve that. Minus 12 plus 9 equal to minus 2 I2, right?
Yes, sir.
3 6 are 18. 18 by 2 is 9. Minus 2, everything, okay?
Yes, sir.
So minus 3
Minus 3 is equals
minus
to
2
minus
I2.
2 I2. I2 is equals to 3 by 2.
That's all, amperes.
Yes, sir.
Clear now, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, one more. Now I'm going to solve Wheatstone bridge by using Kirchhoff's second law. Okay, just I will give the diagram. You have to derive the Wheatstone bridge formula. Okay.
Sir, once again, sir, I'll write this.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, now Wheatstone bridge problem we'll see. Prisha, clear now how to solve the circuits?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now one more. So Wheatstone bridge also will get to now. Now if you solve clearly.
Sir,
Hello, Bhanu Prasad. Hello.
sir, after this, can you do generator and motor?
Generator and motor is there. Only generator is there, right?
Sir, because yesterday in exam we got questions on that, sir. That's why I did not write that.
Generator we discussed, no, generator, AC generator.
Sir, is there any formula for that, sir, in that topic?
Yes, we will get to that. Current equal to I is equal to I naught sine omega t, and V equal to V naught sine omega t. That formulas we came from AC generator only. We will get current this much.
No, sir, some other question was there, sir. I'll ask tomorrow, sir. Next class I'll.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Why then you can send to me, no? How
Yes,
many,
sir, I'll send today.
send that, and how many written? Is it okay?
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, very difficult. Can you send that paper? How many lessons, Bhanu Prasad? Okay. Bhanu Prasad? How many lessons are there in that examination? Okay,
Sir, electromagnetic induction, sir. Only one chapter.
only one chapter.
No, sir. Yesterday, sir, objective test.
Okay. Send Bhanu Prasad once. Okay. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
are you seeing this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So obviously it is E, then current will pass through it, right?
Yes, sir.
Once current reaches here, what will happen? It will become I1.
I1 and I2.
I will write like I minus I1. Any problem?
No, sir.
I1 current is passing through it. So I am
Yes,
writing.
sir.
Okay, I can write like that, right?
Yes, sir.
I2 if you write also no problem, actually no problem. Okay, now I'm going like this. Again I reach it here. If I reach here I1 current, with I1 current I reach it here, what will happen here? Here one of the junction is there, right?
Yes, sir.
What will happen here? Ig current is passing through the galvanometer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here how much?
I1 minus
Yes,
Ig.
yes, very good. I1 minus Ig, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come through this. It is this and it is coming this. Again here on junction, right?
Yes, sir.
Here how much?
Sir, I minus bracket I1 minus plus Ig.
Right?
No, sir.
Why? I minus I1 plus Ig. Total current is this much.
Yes, sir.
Come on, look at this. It is okay. If you take I2 also no problem. I can anything you can take. Suppose take I2 only. You won't get confusion then. Now how much here? Here Ig current is coming, I2 current is coming here.
I2 plus Ig.
Okay. You are reaching here. Here how much current again?
I.
We will see that. We will get I or not. Here I2 plus Ig plus I1
I1 minus Ig. Ig cancel. I equals to I2 plus I1.
is nothing but I only, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I can correct only. Okay. Right? Okay. So you have to get the balanced Wheatstone bridge formula. Now you have two loops. Can you see or not? I don't know that loops. First give names A, B, C, D. Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
So I will take one loop. That loop is
A,
let,
B, D, A.
yes, let loop A, B, D, A. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Start at A. Tell me now.
So negative I1 R1 value.
Yes. Next.
Negative Ig.
Galvanometer resistance is G.
Yes,
Ig
sir.
is the current through the galvanometer. G is the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, reach it here. Again, here. Tell me.
Positive I2 R3
Right?
equals to 0.
It is only equation 1 I got. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now one more loop. Let loop B, C, D, B. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First loop I went like this. Second loop also I will take like this. Tell me now. Start at B.
Sir, minus I1 minus Ig into R2.
It is correct. Okay? You should write like this.
Yes,
This
sir.
minus it belongs to these two. Okay? Next.
Sir, minus Ig in no D1 no.
You're coming like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, positive R4 into I2 plus Ig.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Positive Ig into G
Okay.
equals to 0.
Equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Try to arrange this. Try to arrange this clearly, okay?
Yes, sir.
Try to arrange this minus I1 R2 plus Ig R2 plus I2 R4 plus Ig R4 plus Ig into G equal to 0, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here two equations only you will get first, okay? Two
Yes,
equations you will get first, but If it is balanced here, if it is balanced, if it is balanced, then if it is balanced means potential difference at BD is 0.
0.
Then potential difference at BD equal to 0. Potential difference BD is 0 means is it current will flow through this?
No, sir.
So current is not flowing through this means then
Ig into G is equals to 0.
Ig 0. Wherever Ig is 0, that you have to substitute. Resistance is there or not, that is secondary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ig.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, if it is balanced, then what's that?
If it is balanced, potential at B and D, potential difference at B and D is 0. No potential difference.
Okay, sir.
It is called potential difference, high potential, low potential. If both are same, then there is no potential difference only, right? If there is no potential difference, then current cannot pass through it. Suppose levels are both are same, and water can travel like this, like water can travel from one place to another place.
No, sir.
So like that only, if there is no any potential difference here, current cannot come through this. That's why Ig equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Put in equation 1 and 2 the same thing. Prisha, understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
So put in equation 1 and 2 same things you have to put in equation 1 and 2. Ig equal to 0. Wherever Ig is there, that you have to make it is a 0. So equation 1 will become what? Can you say?
Minus I R1 plus I2 R3 equals to 0.
So how can I write this equation? Minus I R1 equal to minus I2 R3. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Minus minus can I?
Yes, sir.
So send this. I by I2 equal to, okay,
Uh,
anything, okay. I2 by I, just send this I. It will be R1 by R3, right?
yes, sir.
If you send I, you can send R, right?
Yes, sir.
Over, 1 is over. Again, wherever you will see it is a I1, right? I1 it is, not I1 R1, right?
Yes, sir.
So
It is I1.
I2 by I1 equal to R1 by R3, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing put in the equation 2 also. Ig is 0. So can I make it is 0?
0 and
Then
IgR4 is also 0 and IgG is also 0.
you will remain with
I minus I1 R2
minus I1 R2
plus I2 R4.
plus I2 R4 equal to 0. Minus I1 R2 equal to minus I2 R4. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Minus minus.
Cancel
Here we
I1
got
upon
I2 by I1, right? Here also you should do I2 by I1 only.
I2 by
I1.
equals to R4 by R2.
No.
R2 by R4.
R2 by R4. It is equation 4. Sorry, it is equation 3 and it is equation 4. From equation 3 and 4, right hand side left hand side is equal, we can make it as a right hand side equal, right? So
Yes, sir.
R1 by R3 equal to R2 by
R4.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Now you should remember, if bridge is balanced, then only this equation you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this bridge, two resistors are the known resistors. Okay.
One varying resistor
One
and
is
one
variable resistance and one is
unknown.
that unknown resistance we can calculate. If you want to calculate R4, unknown resistance can be any place, either R1 place, R2 place, R3, anywhere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's all we can write. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Wheatstone bridge also we can do like that easily. By using Kirchhoff laws only. Nothing is there. If we know Kirchhoff laws, we can solve that. Any doubt?
No, sir.
One question I will give. Try to solve that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When we have to use the Kirchhoff laws? Do you know when we have to use the Kirchhoff laws? Anybody? Dhanush, when we have to use Kirchhoff laws? We can use V is equal to IR, no?
Sir, when
Yes. Tell me.
when they're asking DC, AC currents, circuits that time, sir.
Okay. See, complex circuits. If you want to solve complex circuits where you don't know the resistors are in series or resistance are in parallel, or that if you don't know, then we have to use Kirchhoff laws. Okay. If resistors
sir.
are in series or parallel, if you know, then you will do automatically problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So that time, if you don't know the series or parallel, that time you have to use this. Okay. Now see, one problem I will give. To this problem, is it necessity to use Kirchhoff laws, or without using that can you solve? That you have to find out. Okay. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
think the diagram.
Sorry, sir.
Did you see the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Find current when they have given E equal to 10 volts. Find current means what will you do? Is it we have to use Kirchhoff laws to this or no need? Prisha. See the diagram properly and tell me answer. Immediately don't say. Likita,
Sir,
is it necessary that we have to use Kirchhoff laws to this or no need?
no need, sir.
Now what will you do? What is your idea to solve
Sir,
this problem?
R2, R4, R3 are all in parallel.
These three are in parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
After that, we can find current. We can use Ohm's law and find.
Nothing is that just R3, R2, R3, R4 all are in the parallel. So you will get one resistor, right?
Yes, sir.
That is series with
R1.
after that, you know, right? How to calculate? Calculate this. If these three resistors are in parallel, what is the formula? Risha, what is the formula that to calculate resistors are in parallel?
For parallel, 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1, 1 by R2 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R3.
R4 plus 1 by R3.
1 by R3.
Yes. Now 1 by R2 is 15. plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15. Solve this.
Sir, it's 6 ohms.
6 ohms, huh?
Yeah.
R equivalent 1 by R equivalent.
R equivalent.
So R equivalent equal to 6 ohms it seems. So, try to solve and tell me that answer. Okay, final resistance how much? R equivalent in the circuit. So this circuit will become after
10 ohm.
here 6 ohms, here 4 ohms. So total is 10 ohms. So R equal to 10 ohms and E equal to 10 volts. So I is equal to E by R. So 10 by 1 ampere. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this type of sums you no need to use Kirchhoff laws, okay? Got it, everyone? One sum, one more sum, one more model. Ready to do? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Likita,
Sir?
did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
This sum, try to solve. Is it I taught you this type of sums or not? Just a second, income. Find current. Find current. Now tell me, these resistors are in parallel or series first? If you want to find out what you have to do.
We will label the junctions.
Junctions we will label. So here I will take high potential and here take low potential, okay?
Yes, sir.
So once if reach
V.
here, it is V. Here how much?
V.
We can't put V because middle one resistor is there. Potential drop is there. So we can't put V. So I will take X. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, middle resistor is there. If it is not there, I can give.
Yes, sir.
Now here O.
O.
I can't give O here.
Y.
I will give 5. Sorry.
Y.
Y. Okay. Now we have only V, X, Y, O. Only 4 points is there, right?
Yes, sir.
I will write V. I will write O. I will write X. I will write Y. Done?
Yes, sir.
R1 is between?
V and X.
Ray, R1 is between?
V and Y.
V and Y. So V and Y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
R2?
Y and X. Sir, between y and x.
Okay, I written y and x.
Y and x.
Yes, yes, sorry. This is what. Okay.
Yes, sir.
R3.
X and O.
Okay. R4.
Y and O.
Y and O.
R4.
R4 is between what?
V. Y. V and X.
V and X. R5.
Y and X.
R5.
Y and O. Y and O.
R5 how much? Now R4 how much value? R1 how much?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. R2.
5 ohm.
R4.
2 ohm.
R3.
4 ohm.
R5 R is what?
5.
2 ohms. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see properly, 2 by 1 equal to 2 by 1. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
2 by 1 equal to 2 by 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So potential is same, right?
Yes, sir.
So here what can we do?
0.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Potential is 0, no? That we can make it as a 0. So that resistor, now if you make it as a 0, if you make it as a 0, due to this reason it is 0. Now potential we applied here only, no?
Yes, sir.
These two are in?
Series.
These two are in?
Series.
So these two are in?
Parallel.
So if you get now series means 6. Here 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Here 3, right?
Yes, sir.
And 6 and 3 and parallel, right? So R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So 6 into 3 is 18 by 9 equal to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So resistance you have, and this is you have. So current formula I is equal to E by R, 4 by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Like that, see, first we have to calculate this. First we have to convert this like this. After converting, you should check this is equal to this is. If this is equal to this is, then we can remove the middle resistor. Once if we remove the middle resistor, these two will be in series and these two will be in series. These are in parallel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
now
if there was no R4 and R5, then we
directly.
directly
R4 and R5, nothing is there, means directly you can know.
series, sir. Okay.
And series also you can't give. Let's see. R4 is not there. I will also clarify that to you. R5 is not there. So like that it is the circuit, right?
Yes, sir.
So if circuit is like that, now first resistor is between what?
V and Y.
So I will remove this and all topics. Just a minute. One. So I will remove this O. X I will remove. So V and O, okay?
Yes, sir.
It is V. It is V means here is how much?
V.
It is O. So here like this it is how much?
O.
Now it is total is between V and O only. No other option, right?
No, sir.
So V, O. First resistor is between?
V and O.
I given. Second resistor is between?
O and V.
That means this is only, right? And third resistor is between?
V and O.
That is this. So R in the parallel.
Parallel.
Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Sainika,
Sir?
clear ma?
Yeah.
Or any doubt?
No.
Just a second, one more question that you have to solve at your home and let me know the answer. It is they have given All India 2010, they have given the sum. Try to solve at home and tell me. Find current. Now, to find current, this type of circuits, is it necessity that we have to use Kirchhoff laws or no need? Hello? Sainika? Sainika? Tejaswini?
So,
Is it we have to use Kirchhoff laws or no need?
we should use Kirchhoff's law.
Why? Because do you know these resistors are in series or parallel?
No, sir.
So definitely we have to use Kirchhoff laws. You know, right? How to use Kirchhoff laws? A,
Yes.
B, C, D, E, F. After taking current direction. Current direction, how will you give now? Trisha?
Sir,
Cur-
from the highest current value.
Can we give like this?
Yes, sir.
It will become I1. Can I take it is I2?
Yes, sir.
Again, you know, from here, everyone knows, right? How to solve this?
Yes, sir.
So that is what that you have to do. Write the sum, otherwise I'll erase now. All India 2008. One more also I will give you. If we get to one more loop, what will you do? If you get like this? If you get like this, what will you do? How many equations will come now? Three equations will come. First loop, second loop, third loop. From the three equations, we have to solve. This type of equations, I think you will get in the mathematics, right? Three equations how to solve. Same things only. Just again, one more loop we will get, one more equation we will get. So we have to solve the three equations. That's all. Okay. Okay. Tell me what are the doubts you have, other topics that you have doubts? Bhanu Prasad? Dhanush,
Yes, sir.
what topics that you have doubts?
Sir, I should see, sir. I didn't do revision, sir.
You didn't start still, huh?
Sir, no, sir. I have to do, like, I have to go again and see what are I have doubts.
Okay. Likita? Likita? Rachana? Rachana, so many days onwards, you are not responding because of your network issue. Rachana? Oh. Sainika?
Yes.
Rachana, which topics that you have more doubts, ma? Oh. Sainika? Sainika, at least you can hear me, right? Tejaswini,
Sir,
what doubts you have? What topics you have more doubt, ma, till now?
so in this chapter or overall?
No, overall, if you have any doubt, that tomorrow I will teach like that. So what are the topics more doubt? That topics I will clear up.
So can you do magnetism and matter full chapter,
Yes,
sir?
sure. Magnetism and matter. I will explain.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, then, okay. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
what are the other topics that you have more doubt?
No doubts yet, sir.
Okay, Kirchhoff laws, did you understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
No doubts, right? Again, whatever the sum they will give, you can solve.
Yes, sir.
Then try to practice more. Okay, practice is very important. If you don't practice your own, then easily you can forget. Okay, you should
Yes,
practice. So magnetism and matter. Tomorrow, next class, I'm going to explain magnetism and matter. Please, everyone should attend. Okay, see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.